In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard icon at the top. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now my favorite part. To use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, just tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. The only problem is, it will disappear after an hour. If you want to keep it over here until you decide to delete it, you need to pin it. To do that, hold your text and tap on pin icon. Sorry, misclick. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can either click on Delete option right under the pin one, or you can simply hold your text and swipe it to the right. In order to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!